Good morning! Hi, how are you? Happy New Year. I've let myself go, guys. I have let myself go over Christmas and New Year, and my hair hasn't been cut in about 4 weeks. My eyebrows haven't been done. My body hair, I'm like a bear. There's 4 areas of hair that I look after. Some of which I do myself, some of which other people do, and I have booked in for all of them today. When it comes to body hair, I really don't mind body hair. Like, I'm gonna keep my chest hair, kind of pleased with that, but other hair down there needs to be trimmed. There's hairy and then there's unkept. I've got various things here. I've got this trimmer which you can change up, or this little one here. I'll link them all, different price points, you can see what you want. But I'm gonna take it down to a number 3. I'm gonna go for a 3 down there. My underarm hair, I'll leave slightly longer, maybe a 4 or 5. No one needs to see this next bit. Whoa! I clearly needed that more than I thought I did. Body hair groomed. Time for my beard. For my facial hair, it is super patchy. You can see, you know, I've got patches there, no hair grows there. It's never gonna be thick, it's never gonna be full, but I may as well work with what I've got. Right, I'm gonna just use a bit of oil just to get onto this. As you say, I have exfoliated in the shower, so it's taking off the excess dead skin cells. It's gonna make it slightly easier to trim. I like this one, it's Lab Series 3-in-1. Pre-shave, shave, or a beard oil. Starting on a 3, same trimmer, don't worry, it has been washed. Right, bald blade. All I'm gonna do is get this. I'm just gonna take off some of the stray hairs, just lining everything up onto, you can see there actually is a natural line just under my cheekbone there. And if you go slightly lower than the last bit of hair, it means you're gonna take it off at its thickest part. Guys, again, you can see I'm patchy. And around the sideburns, just taking that excess off. I'm gonna do exactly the same above that moustache. You can see there's some stray hairs there. Just gonna take it off on the line. I'm gonna start in the center here under the chin. If you're a guy that's got fuller facial hair, then you can decide how low down you want, but I would just go to that bit of the jawline that comes round. So really you wanna be starting the center here, working down, and around, and then up. Right, you can see that's instantly much neater. Now I'm gonna wet shave, just take off all this excess under that line that we've created. You can see instantly, just cleaning that up makes it look less patchy. It just means it's all neater on the neck. Okay, next, haircut. Top tip for you guys, do your hair before you go. Then your barber or your hairdresser can see how you wear it, and then hopefully it won't go wrong. This really does need to be cut though, look at that weight there. Can't see the back, but it is a mess. I'm keeping some of the weight on the sides, just keeping it quite classic. The neck's always a mess, it just grows and spirals. So just to kind of clean it up, to taper it slightly. And then the top, maybe just some length off the top. Some length. Yeah.
So basically what I did is make this part a little bit more square, and then I clean a little bit with scissors the bottom, but this time I prefer to do a little bit like more soft, because I think in the last few years the trend was like to do very short back and side, and I think we need a little bit more length now.
Yeah.
And the style is a little bit more casual. The side parting is a little bit more undone, more like easy to recreate the same style home. And I hope you like it.
Very pleased with that. Solid. Very good. Next, it's on to the eyebrows. Eyebrow time.
Hello.
Hi again. It's not going to hurt today, is it?
No. Yeah.
Ooh. That was a so one, yeah. Gorgeous. So threaded, above, below.
And just did a little bit with tweezers.
Tweezers. And I've got a face back. Thanks very much.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Hello, good morning. I was decided to wait until the next day, until everything calmed down, so I could wash my hair, style it how I wanted, and also wait until the eyebrows were less red. So this is me done. That was my 4 stages of hair care, grooming. So we had the body, a lot neater, beard, which is a lot neater down onto the neck, onto the cheeks. My hair, a lot of the weight taken off the sides, keeping a lot of the length in the front, short in the back, and then finally my eyebrows. That was Claudio that sorted those. What I'll do is, I'll link all the places I went to and any of the products that I used. So if you're interested, then you can check that out. But thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this sort of more like vloggy style, then let me know and we can do more of those into this year. But if you're new to the channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe. The button will be up here somewhere. There's also more video suggestions under that. And then a link to my blog. I've been doing loads of work on it. I'd love if you went across and you told me what you thought of it. Also podcasts, which will be coming back, I promise. And my Instagram are up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.